As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
I want you to get this fuck where he brings. I want you to find this Nancy boy Elliot next. I want him dead. I want his family dead. So say good night to the bad guy.
What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now I'm really excited for today because the C7 is getting a brand new tune at Dyno Pro Inc. I'll put all the information in the description and you guys can check it out. In the last 2 months that I haven't been uploading much, that's because the C7 was out. It was in jack stand sitting in the garage. A lot of new parts were installed. I did the full exhaust, new headers, I did a Meth kit with a dual nozzle setup, I did a smaller pulley, and I'm trying to get more boost out of the blower, all for the purpose of pushing more power out of the motor. My goal is to push 7 to 750 horsepower. Now, I don't know if that's gonna be possible with my setup. I've seen people do it. Hopefully all works out. Everything is installed correctly. I took my time, I rechecked and checked over and over again, make sure all the fluids are good, and I'm ready for today. And I wanna take you guys along the ride. I'm back here at Dyno Pro for the second attempt to get my car tuned. Last time I said I had misfiring issues. I got all that shit fixed. I replaced the spark plugs, I replaced the wires, I put these new socks for a high temperature rating to protect the wires. The car is running really good, hasn't had any weird misfiring issues, and I ran it all the way up to 5,000 RPM to test it out. And I'm here scheduled at 2 o'clock to get the shit tuned. Get ready for run number 1. Oh shit. 686. That's good. Oh shit. So guys, I'm back in the garage after the tune, got home, everything went smooth. It went better than I expected. and I'm really happy, and the car is just crazy. Oh my god, I'm still not even used to it, and it'll take me some time to get used to it. But anyway, sorry I didn't record the rest of the footage at the shop, and that's because it got dark really quick and the footage wouldn't look that good on camera at nighttime. I had some issues with the motor, getting it tuned originally, and there was some misfiring issues going on, some spark plug issues, and my wires ended up melting because they were so close to the headers. Car just runs amazing. I can't wait to post more videos in the future with this whole new setup, and I got some more stuff on the way that's being shipped. I'm still waiting on a back order, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. It's going to be a different look to the whole car. Stay tuned for other videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Take care and be safe.